Hey everyone, Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm here in a Windermere community. I'm going to show you this really huge house. It's about 4,500 square feet. It could be over a little bit over 5,000 square feet here in Windermere. But the good thing about this house is that it can be built in Windermere. It can also be built in Lake Nona. It can also be built in Lake Mary, and then it can also be built in Winter Garden. So the price points change depending on which area of town you're interested in. But if you like this home, it's 5 bedrooms. And got a 3-car garage, lots of living space, really beautiful home. If you do like it, I can get you the price point for any of those particular communities if you're interested in those areas of town. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around. And again, this one here is in the Windermere area. It's a really nice community here in Windermere. That's Brandy right there. She's our expert for Windermere, so she knows Windermere better than any. So we do have people on our team that know different areas and can help you in the different areas. So coming here, this is actually, just so you know, this is a 1-car garage here and then a 2-car garage here. So 2 cars, and then this part right here is an actual single car garage, and then it comes out here. You have an actual gate going into the home. So we're going to go ahead and go in the home here. And as you come here, you're going to have a door on this side, and that's the door to that single car garage. And then over here, you have a separate door. Now, this door here can be an actual nursery off the master bedroom, or it could be a separate like in-law suite with its own entry. And then you come into this really cool courtyard. So let me show you here. So this is all enclosed courtyard here. That goes to the 2-car garage. There's also interior entrance for that, for the 2-car garage. And then this again, this is the single car garage. So really nice. Let me go ahead and scan up so you can see. Got some really nice roof lines, the tile roof, really nice brickwork. So here in Windermere, the home starts at about $779,000, and the way that you're seeing it is going to have a ton of upgrades on this particular one. So this one's got, this one's going to be a much higher priced home with all the upgrades. So you come in here and go through the door, and as you can see, comes into a very awesome and beautiful stairway that has a rounded feel to it. It goes all the way up to the 2nd floor. And then you have the doors right there already going to your backyard, which has a pool. And then over here to the left is your dining room, which goes into the kitchen. And then on the other side is the master suite. So let's go ahead and take a walk through to the family room and the kitchen, and then we'll come back to the master suite here in just a minute. So we come over here. So this is the family room area with some really, really high ceilings. Usually they're 19-foot ceilings, but these ones look like they're even higher than 19 feet, going all the way up there. And then, nice, lots of windows, lots of light coming in. If you did put a pool, you'd have a nice view of the pool. This community has a nice lake that a lot of houses have the views of. Now, that's another staircase. That's a staircase coming through to the back of the home. So you actually have 2 staircases in this home. And then if you come over here, this is the absolutely amazing, beautiful kitchen, as you can see, with a huge pantry that I'll show you in just a minute. But it has a nice built-in fridge over there. And then, the dining room's here, but of course over here is a little breakfast nook with plenty of space here. And then over here is where the laundry room would be. They have it right now just set up for their model home, so they have it set up for storage. But you can see the washer and dryer hookups right there, and that's where that would be. So if you come over here, nice. This is actually a gas community. It's hard to find gas communities. Now, in the community in the Lake Nona area, it's also a gas community there. I know there's some people that do love the gas community for the more consistency in cooking. And then this is the pantry. I sometimes call it the Harry Potter room because it's under the stairs. But as you can see, tons and tons of space for all your food. So let's go ahead and go over to the master bedroom, and I'll show you that as we walk through here. Like I said, this home's got a lot of different upgrades, nice flooring throughout, and it's available in Windermere, Lake Mary, Winter Garden, and Lake Nona, this same floor plan. So come over here. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there's an office here. So an office right here off of the right side of the home with some nice windows that look out into the courtyard area. So if you're doing some work, you can be able to see people coming in through the entrance, and also that nice living space out there in the courtyard. So let's go ahead and go back this way and go to the master bedroom, which is a huge master bedroom. Here's a half bath here for guests when they come, and then check out this master bedroom. Now, you look at this and you go, wow, this is pretty spacious, but another thing about this particular master bedroom is if you look up, The ceilings are extremely high ceilings, and it gives you even more of a spacious feel. That this camera, I'm looking at the camera shot right now, the camera shot's not really doing it justice on how really spacious this room is. So now we're going to go into the master bathroom, and here you do see quite a few upgrades here, as you can see. Nice nice tile work throughout. You have the single sink here, and then you have a single sink here with lots and lots of mirrors. The frameless shower, and then it goes into this huge closet. So if I come over here, and this one here is designed with that nursery room attached. So if you did have a little one and you wanted them to be, close to the master bedroom, you could put the nursery here. Now they have it set up at like a little office area. But you can also set this up as like a mother-in-law suite, or a little place for adult children to have, so they have their own entrance to the outside, and they'll have a bedroom here, and then they'll also have their own bathroom. And then of course on top of that, you could put like a little fridge and a little microwave in here, and they can have their own little living space here. So that's the first floor. So let's go ahead and go up to the second floor and show you. The second floor has 3 more bedrooms and really cool and large entertainment space that they have. One of the options on this home is to actually change part of the attic into another, like a media room. So I'll show you that as well. That is a $14,000 option. At the time of filming today, it is $14,000 option, and the prices do change. So let's go ahead and go up these stairs and show you the upstairs of this 4,500 plus square foot home here in Windermere. So we come up here, and as soon as you come up, you got to have a balcony off to the right. So you come out here and enjoy the views of the area. And then we'll close the door here. If we go this way, there's going to be 2 bedrooms along here, but let me show you all the railing, the stair railing, and how, this is like a really nice circular area here. And we go over here, they have like a little study area, so if you have kids, they can do their homework over here in this little space. And then we come over here, as you can see, these are huge bedrooms. So, probably can't see from the video, but these are probably about the size as the average master bedroom in the area. And then there's another one over here, and this one here you can see the bed, and still has plenty of space for these huge end tables as well. So lots of space, walk-in closets as well. And then this one has a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you come here and you have your sink, so a private sink with a door that goes into the shower area, and then you have another sink over here that goes into the other bedroom. So let's go ahead and show you my favorite area of the house, and that's the one that consists of a pool table and media room. So so we go through here, and look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. You have to come and see this home in person to see this. And like I said, I have people on my team that are knowledgeable in each area. I think it's very important to get people that know the area. So if you're looking for the Windermere, Dr. Phillips area, I do have Brandy, who's on the team, that will be able to help you out in those areas. And you come over here, there's another bedroom. And then it's also got another full bathroom here. And of course, if you're interested in the Lake Nona area, that's one of my areas of expertise, one of the few that I know very, very well. Always on top of everything that's opening up in an area. And then all my realtors that work on my team, I do tell them that they need to be up to date of what's going on in their area that they work. So this is cool. This is the pool table area. So just imagine entertaining, having a whole bunch of people over, and you have this cool little area here where they can hang out, play pool, and then if you wanted to watch a movie, you can have people here playing pool, and then if people wanted to either watch a football game or watch a movie, they can come here. Now this is the option I was telling you about. This whole area here would be actually an unfinished attic space, but for $14,000 they make this into an extra room, so that adds a bunch of square footage, so it ends up being a little bit shy of 5,000 square feet. So anyway, that's it. There goes Brandy. And let me go ahead and flip the camera around. And there we go. So I want to thank you all for watching. Again, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate and realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I do have a team of realtors to help. We do buying and selling on the area. And if you want to reach me directly, my number is 407-487-3030. And I want to thank you for watching. And we're going to go down these back stairs because we don't have that many areas with 2 stairs, but they have the extra stairs back here. So, and I'll tell you all goodbye and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.